Creative intelligence to me is the ability for brands and businesses to go from their ideations to output and how they are realizing their revenue in a very seamless way.
Creative intelligence is really, it's all the information that brands have acquired on the things that they do creative. And what Optikka does is essentially turns that into code so that it's actionable.
We put all of those capability inside of the Optikka pipeline, so now you have it at your fingertip the moment you put your graphics in, and then boom, it's out.
We centralized the creative director's role to be able to pivot all of their content for either a campaign or a given product at scale with an enormous amount of aesthetic elevation. And so all of that is starting to, as a byproduct of that, actually starting to enable creative intelligence, actual creative intelligence.
Optikka is allowing brands to set their guardrails, whether it has to do with legally compliant models or their branding guidelines, and give creatives a clear runway to do what they do best, which is to be creative.
I think it's the end of this whole arc where we're not using AI to automate the tasks we don't want to do. We're not using AI as ancillary pieces, but we're using creative intelligence to actually drive the organization and the brand forward.
Working with brands and creating content is at a different scale than it has ever been. So Optikka is doing an incredible job of producing content at scale, at a speed that is so necessary in today's world.
Well, the future of creative intelligence has everything to do with artificial intelligence. It's going to be driving the market, it's going to be disrupting and changing industries. And I think that Optikka is embracing this by trying to forget what we knew and approach it in a different pattern while combining some of the top leading people in the industry to make it happen.